Welcome back to Turbo Rider. Today, we are taking a closer look at one of Honda's most practical and versatile dual sport motorcycles, the 2025 Honda XRM 150, also known internationally as the XR150L. This bike is designed to bridge the gap between everyday commuting and light off-road adventures, making it an excellent choice for riders who want reliability, comfort, and affordability in one package. Engine and performance. At the heart of the XRM 150 sits a 149 cubic centimeters, air-cooled, single-cylinder, four-stroke engine. It uses a simple SOHC design with a 22mm piston valve carburetor. The power delivery is smooth and beginner-friendly, while the 5-speed manual transmission ensures good control whether you're on city roads or dirt trails. With a compression ratio of 9.5 to 1 and Honda's proven engineering, this engine is built for durability and low maintenance. Suspension and handling. The XRM 150 comes with a 31mm telescopic front fork offering 7.1 inches of travel and a rear monoshock with preload adjustment, providing 5.9 inches of travel. These numbers may not sound extreme, but they strike a perfect balance for urban use and moderate off-road riding. Combined with its lightweight steel frame and a curb weight of just 128 kilograms, the bike is very easy to handle even for new riders. Braking and wheels. Braking is handled by a 240mm front disc with a dual piston caliper, while the rear features a durable 110mm drum brake. The wheels are 19 inches at the front and 17 inches at the back, wrapped in dual-purpose tires that give confidence both on pavement and gravel roads. Comfort and practical features. One of the biggest strengths of the XRM 150 is its comfort and practicality. The seat height of 32.8 inches offers a good riding position for most riders, while the 9.6 inches of ground clearance makes sure you can clear obstacles without worry. The bike also includes a tubular steel rear carrier, making it easy to strap on cargo for daily use or weekend adventures. With a fuel tank capacity of 10.6 liters, including reserve, you can expect excellent range between fill-ups. Street legal convenience. Unlike many off-road focused bikes, the Honda XRM 150 is fully street legal. It comes equipped with turn signals, mirrors, a license plate light, speedometer, and foldable passenger foot pegs. This makes it an ideal dual-purpose motorcycle that you can ride in the city during the week and take out for fun off-road rides on the weekend. Styling and colors. For 2025, Honda offers the XRM 150 in fresh color options. Riders can choose between a new grey edition with black accents or a white version with stylish blue highlights. Both designs enhance its rugged dual sport character while still keeping it modern and practical. Price and availability. Honda has kept this bike very affordable, with a price of just $3,099 in international markets. Deliveries are set for March 2025. At this price, it is one of the best value dual sports you can get, especially if you are looking for a reliable commuter that can also handle dirt trails. Conclusion. The 2025 Honda XRM 150 is not about extreme performance or cutting-edge technology. Instead, it delivers what Honda does best: reliability, practicality, and ease of use. With its lightweight design, dual sport versatility, and wallet-friendly price, it is an excellent choice for students, commuters, and adventure seekers alike. Like, share, and subscribe to Turbo Rider.